Hi guys on YouTube, this is Transit Limbo TV here. Today we'll be doing a load of towels in my Samsung 75kg washing machine. Already put some detergent in. Gonna put some more detergent in there. Detergent today is Radiant detergent. So let's put it in. This detergent, now let's pour it in. And one more thing to use is some fabric softener. A fabric softener left. Yep. Yep, just that nice clean cup of fabric softener. Just put it in. Just close it up. Let's press, it's already programmed on, and let's press start. There you go. Started the wash. And yep. So that's it for now.